In a humble village nestled between rolling hills and vast fields, there lived a boy named Oliver. Oliver had been left at the doorstep of a small orphanage, swaddled in absence and silence. Despite the lack of material wealth, Oliver was rich in curiosity. He loved to explore the forest that fringed the village, dreaming of adventures beyond the stars. From a young age, Oliver was different. While other children played games, he spent hours wandering through the library, an old stone building with creaking floors and shelves overflowing with dust-covered books. The stories of the vast universe enthralled him, and his thirst for knowledge was insatiable. As he grew older, his intelligence became apparent. A local teacher, Mrs. Greenwood, noticed his keen interest and immense potential. She took Oliver under her wing, fostering his love for science and mechanics. She managed to gather odd parts from radios or discarded gadgets and would often encourage Oliver to tinker with them. Under her mentorship, his room became a workshop of sorts. Oliver excelled at school despite the odds. Hungry both metaphorically and literally, he used his exceptional mind to earn scholarships, each paving the way to the next big opportunity. He studied at a nearby university, working tirelessly part-time to support himself. It was here that Oliver discovered his passion for astrophysics. Driven by dreams of a world beyond, Oliver channeled his efforts towards a singular goal: to travel to space. His research on solar propulsion garnered attention, contributing groundbreaking ideas on sustainable space travel. For years, he worked arduously, often the last to leave the lab and the first one to enter the next day. Driven by a singular vision, years of hard work finally paid off when Oliver received a distinguished fellowship to work with a renowned space exploration center. He was soon plunged into the world of science and exploration at an international level. Yet, even amidst the bustle, Oliver never forgot the simplicity of stargazing from the roof of the old orphanage. His tenacity and innovative mind soon earned him a spot on a pioneering space mission. The mission aimed to explore the outer reaches of the solar system and beyond, to uncover the secrets of the universe and other celestial bodies. As the launch day approached, Oliver could hardly contain his excitement. On the day of the launch, as the engines roared to life, Oliver sat in silence, the gravity of momentous achievement washing over him. The liftoff was surreal, transporting him from the memory-laden Earth to the enchanting silence of space. Once amid the stars, Oliver felt at home. The deep infinity stretched before him, full of new challenges and horizons unexplored. The ship approached a mysterious, shimmering nebula, an embryonic stallion of cosmic wonder. He discovered new matters and celestial phenomena, sending back data that would revolutionize the understanding of space. Despite the void around him, Oliver found solace in the knowledge that he was part of a much larger cosmic family. One that had started from the doorsteps of a quaint orphanage. And so, the orphan boy from a small village became not only a scientist but a pioneer in space exploration, proving to the world that even the most improbable dreams could be achieved with perseverance and intellect. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you like to make videos easily. Check the description. See you soon in another episode.